Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool of Orange Economy. Okay, this is a set of activities that are productive. It got the following characteristics. They are the development of products, services, or business models that are in the creative and cultural industry sectors. These sets of change activities allow to create ideas to be transformed into goods and services, artistic, cultural, and educational. The orange economy is the productive sector with the highest growth in the world. Many governments are creating and marketing special resources for this sector. For a long time, it was stigmatized or marginalized as a unproductive level. However, nowadays it has been growing a lot. Okay, so when we talk about orange economy, we are talking about basically all the productive activities that are related with the creative sector. And there are different ways, but it's extremely important because design, publicity, advertising, development of that kind of things are part of the orange economy. So the first thing is what it is. It's a conjunction of sectors, and we basically develop product, services, creative industries, ideas of teaching. They could be music, design, everything that is related with imagination that could be focused on creating knowledge. The cultural industries are the main focus of the orange economy. So theater, music, design, art plus, knowledge, all of that is part of the orange economy. However, it's extremely important that people know how to develop their own business. The problem with this sector is that things are made believed to be very creative and spontaneous. However, this is a big problem because if you want to be successful, you have to have a good value proposition, you have to have a good business model, you have to have and create different products, services, and many of these developments start as independent. However, when they start growing up, they become multinationals and things like that. But the orange economy is focused always in cultural industries, from teaching to art plus, fashion, and making, all of that is related. And the idea here is that we can create successful business even though that this is the percentage of the economy that has been growing a lot. The majority of the business that want to start from here, they are a failure in less than 6 months because people make things intuitive, and that is a huge mistake. The idea here is that people can focus and develop with order, with methodology. Design thinking and lean startup are the best tools for this kind of development. So I strongly suggest. But it's very important that when people talk about orange economy, you know what they are talking about. They are talking about business in cultural industries. As a conclusion, we can say that many countries are promoting companies and business models with orange economy in order to decentralize the capital. It means that is a good way to create new people that are successful, that can create new jobs, that can create new inputs and new taxes to the economy. But the important thing here is that you can follow the process and teach people what's going on. It is important to be clear that it is very different to have an activity with these productive sectors that to have a business. That is something very important because people, when especially when they do arts and crafts or plastic arts or things like that, they think that they have a business. No, you have an activity. But if you have a real business, you have to have a clear structure and to see how everything is going on and keep growing. So that's very important. The key in any business is of our orange economy are to keep productive and generate well-being for both to their creators and their users. So that's very important because that's the main purpose of basically any industry, but it could be very interesting to see how can make it growing and make it better. So that is extremely important because it will be a huge development. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, LinkedIn, Instagram. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday, a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.